just get used to it. It's so gross.
Hello.
What are you doing?
At Cardiff Industrial.
Doing what?
Teaching Arista manual.
Nice.
Okay, so I just got this far through editing my video and I've realised that I have not stopped to tell you absolutely anything. So here we go. We are at the rink getting a coffee and we are going to go meet up with Kibble. Next scene.
The money's up here.
Kuchoku! Yeah, me too.
So what are we doing here?
Now I said it'll come out in like an hour.
No, they're here. I don't want to be here for an hour.
No, he said we'll come out. He'll come out in an hour. It was like, are you Noah? And I said we'll go car wash. But I want to get some food. S. Can't do that.
Maybe. Oh, it's the
They're gonna
cops.
tell us to go. They're gonna tell us to leave.
It's the police.
Oh, that's really bright. Do we know those people?
Yeah, it's probably just Cooper. How's it going?
Bob was checking out some burgers. We've made it to the car wash, washing some cars. Kibble's here. So's Bob.
Washing my low-income dad.
There's fish fingers in the freezer, son.
I'm just vlogging. We've eaten McDonald's and now apparently we're going for a drive in town.
We're already in town.
Even though we're already in town. Says Kibble.
Yeah.
Nice dance moves.
Is that you? Yeah, that was Luke. Hey! Stay close. Get it!
So, Mum gave me a haircut. But the rest of the drive was pretty boring. Just pretty much had footage of cars driving around. But I did want to jump cut. I did want to show you this quick update on the share page that I made. I've got 141. It's been about a week and a half and I've got 141 followers. Growing pretty quick. I got a couple of videos that are like got a fair few views on them. But anyway, that is the update on that. I'll catch you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and follow and like and go check out all my other Instagrams and all the rest of it. Bye.